Congratulations to the cast and crew of Nation Ford's production of The Lightning Thief, as they were nominated for 7 Blumey Awards, which recognize talent and passion for the arts in high schools throughout the Charlotte area. The Lightning Thief production grabbed nominations for Best Choreography Execution, Best Ensemble, and the Tier 2 Bank of America Best Musical Award.
I'm proud that the kids never gave up. I'm proud that the kids wanted it to be a professional production. I'm proud of the kids for working super hard for as long as they did. And now they kind of get this really great surprise of performing on the Blumenthal stage, which is, it's going to be the most surreal experience for them.
Individual nominations went to Mark Saeed for Best Actor and Kaden Giannini for Best Actress. Congratulations again to the Nation Ford Performing Arts Company for their Blumey Award nominations. For NACO TV, I'm